And as the sun rises and the ice melts, we finally come to the end of the great West Michigan spring ice storm on Sunday, 3:41 p.m. on Sunday. You can see the aftermath of the ice storm. You can't see the ground. You can't. The freezing rain seemed to pass a little bit earlier than we thought it would. No power outage, surprisingly. Didn't get one, the lights flickered once yesterday, but other than that, nothing too bad. Which is good. That's really good. We don't want any for... It wouldn't be good to have a fridge full of food go spoiled. It's very slippery out here still, so we might lose school on Monday. Because it's supposed to snow tonight, and if the roads are still slippery and covered in snow and ice, I don't think the school buses are going to be able to drive on there. Let me pick up the stick. Let's venture out to the road and see what kind of road conditions might we have tomorrow morning. There's a few bare tire tracks. Now right here, I think, is where, right there, I think that's where the median is, between road and driveway. Very thick stuff out here. A few people got over. There's still ice and snow mixture together on the roads. That's probably not safe. No mail. All the ice from earlier melted off of here. It kind of ended earlier. There was still supposed to be a little bit of freezing rain here at 5 o'clock tonight. Let's see. It's kind of slippery. Not really. It's not too bad, but it's kind of slippery. So you can't even tell where our driveway is. I don't think I'm on it right now, but I could be. No, I'm not. I realized that I'm not on it now. It's kind of hard to walk through this, even when I'm in my boots. If you remember from the earlier document, that's what I'm calling this. I'm calling this a documentary. If you remember from the earlier one, that car over there, the car was... Hello, everybody. After all of the storm settles, I get to wipe the ice off of the car.